그런 가족들이 떠나고 그 빈자리를 채워준 유일한 친구가 있다. 경기가 없는 휴일이면 친구가 경영하는 펍을 찾곤 한다는데 같이 운동을 좋아하고 캐나다 출신이라는 공통점으로 금방 친구가 된 에드 씨다. 그 후 가족과 고국이 그리울 때면 이곳을 찾곤 한다고.
To be able to come and visit with Eddie and not only speak to him but eat his food and just kind of hang out with people that you have more things in common with and can speak the same language with. It's been like a really comforting place for me over the years. And
코로나 이후 가족을 만날 기회가 제한되면서 두 사람은 부쩍 더 친해졌다. 곁에서 가족에 대한 그리움을 달래주며 힘든 시간을 지켜봐줬던 에디. 은퇴를 앞둔 친구에게 캐나다 술을 넣어 만든 특별한 축하주로 새로운 출발에 대한 응원의 마음을 전한다.
친구로서 아쉬운 거 되게 많죠. 네, 왜냐면 제이미 17살부터 야구 했으니까 계속 쭉. 그래서 어느 정도 제이미 마음도 알겠지만 근데 제이미도 되게 오래 커리어 했으니까 되게 그거 위해서도 되게 만족할 것 같고요. 그래서 야구 선수는 끝났지만 근데 아직도 이제 앞으로 퓨처가 되게 기니까 그래서 그냥 슬프게 생각하지 말고 그냥 이제 앞으로 더 좋은 일 생길 수도 있으니까.
2017년 5월 대체 외국인 선수로 SK 와이번스 유니폼을 입게 된 로맥. 그는 입단 첫 해부터 기아전 1호 홈런을 시작으로 102경기에 출장, 31 홈런, 64타점을 기록하며 누구보다 빠르게 KBO 리그에 적응했다.
I think I came to a good team. SK was at a time where they're definitely known for their hitting. So I don't think there was much pressure on me to come in and kind of carry the offense. I just had to be a part of it. And I think having Trey Hillman here as manager, having a foreign manager that I could communicate with helped a lot. And the players welcoming me and in the KBO, the foreign players are much more a part of the team than I felt like in Japan. Japan was a lot more separate. Foreign players here, Japanese players there. But here, I just felt like I was one of the team, part of the guys. And so it was just, whereas Japan felt more like oil and water, here was a really good mix. Like everything kind of fit together so much better, and it kind of clicked on both sides. It worked for me and it worked for the team.
2018년에도 데뷔 첫 만루 홈런을 비롯해 총 43개 홈런을 쳐내며 굳건한 팀의 중심 타자로 자리 잡았다. 타석에 서면 상대팀 투수 누구나 그의 장타력에 긴장할 수밖에 없었다는데 이제는 한 식구가 된 투수 김상수도 마운드에서 로맥을 상대한 적이 있다.
상대팀에서 생각했을 때 좀 부담스러운 타자가 아니었나, 좀 상대하기가 힘들었다.
2018년은 제이미 로맥의 해라고 해도 과언이 아니었다. KBO 리그 13번째로 3할 타율, 40홈런, 100타점, 총 43홈런을 터뜨리며 팀 역사상 16년 만에 40홈런 외국인 타자가 되었던 로맥. 고비 때마다 장타를 터뜨리며 굳건한 팀의 중심 타자로 자리를 잡았던 그는 한국 시리즈 3차전에선 MVP까지 차지하며 SK 와이번스 한국 시리즈 우승의 주역이 됐다.
You know what? If I had to say from a personal thing, if there was one moment, it would be that game for me in my time in Korea. That was, we're at home. I think the series was tied 1-1. It was a big moment early in the game. And we had a big shot, and I got a pitch to hit and hit it out and kind of gave us the momentum. And I remember running the bases and feeling like, did that just happen? Like you just don't even feel like it was real. And I had to, get through the dugout, and I just kind of took a second outside the dugout to myself to catch my breath and realize this this is the first inning. We still have 8 more innings. You know, don't enjoy this too much right now. Stay focused, do your job, sort of thing. And then hit another home run later in the game. And I remember after the game, the manager, Nim, grabbing me and saying, Jamie, the owner is here. He'd like to speak to you and all that. And he came down and he was just like so excited that we won and wanted to congratulate me. And that was a really cool moment. You know, anytime the guy who, you know, owns the company that you work for shows his appreciation for your performance, it made me feel good. And we won the game. It was great. It was an unbelievable night, really exciting.